Hello everyone, once again you have BBJ Luxury back with another video. We have a 73 Volvo. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Share your thoughts in the comments. How long you had it?
3-4 years.
3-4 years? This joker is beautiful. You take it to the car shows?
Yeah. Yeah, there aren't too many around unless you go to certain shows. You see one or two every now and then.
Man, this is nice. I never seen it before, not this year. Not a Volvo. That is sharp. And you got AC too.
Yeah, actually it works this year.
Ooh, that's nice.
Tell you what, I used to live in Detroit, and when I was a teenager, I saw one all the time parked in the parking lot at Livernois and Akron.
Okay.
And I would go by there a lot, and I'd see it. I never knew what it was.
What?
It's a weird-looking car.
Right.
And then a few years ago, I decided to look it up because I was remembering the car, and I found out what it was. I said, I'm going to get one before I'm gone.
I know that's right. And it's a 73?
Yeah.
73 Volvo. It's so clean. It's original interior?
No, the car was originally a gold car, and I had it painted. This is an original color, but it's not the original color of the car. It's a real Volvo color.
Ooh, I like that color. That's like a blue.
Yeah, I changed out the brown carpets for blue, and I changed the paint.
Definitely sweet.
But the rest is original, except the radio, the dash, and the
Yeah,
covers.
see,
That's all original.
it's got the speakers in the back.
Yeah.
Look at that. Original. Man, this interior looks soft too.
It's not bad.
It's pretty plush.
More or less held up.
Oh, that is sharp. How it look under the hood? It's got a small motor.
Yeah, it's got a
Oh, look at
standard
that.
4-cylinder Volvo motor.
That is cool. 4-cylinder. Is it good on gas too?
Never checked, really.
Man, that is nice. Look at that. That is sharp. It's so clean under here.
Yeah, you see some of them. People have redone them. You know, they're shiny and spotless, but
It's pretty clean under here though. Even
it's user clean.
Ooh,
It's a driver
Duracell battery.
car, not a show car.
I hear that. Well, it looks close to show to me.
Yeah.
I like the little side mirrors they got here too. That's really neat. You can push them out. This is the coolest little car ever.
Yeah, it's comfortable. It's not bad.
Did you take it any shows this weekend?
No, we were out of town. I just got back. So
Okay, gotcha.
they have, I don't know if you're from around this area, every Saturday morning they have a bunch of guys that do, it's not really a car show, but there's a place on Woodward near 14 Mile called Pasteiner's.
Okay.
It's in a little strip mall where, I don't know what's in there now. There's like a California Kitchens. There used to be a ABC warehouse kind of a thing.
Okay.
It's on the northeast side of Woodward, just north of 14 Mile.
Okay.
Every Saturday morning, starting at about 8 o'clock, it runs from about 8 to 10. Guys will come with all kinds of cars.
Thank you for telling me that. I'm gonna go check it out because I stay in Beverly Hills, so I'm not. Can I take 13 to Woodward and then go down a mile?
Absolutely. Where are you in Beverly Hills? I grew up there.
On right down 13 in Southfield.
I grew up on
Townhomes over in that way.
I was on Pierce, just north of 13, like 3 blocks north of 13.
Oh,
childhood, so.
okay, really?
There was a guy in there was the gas station. I don't know what it is, but it's in Hortons and stuff. 13 in Southfield.
Okay.
Used to be a mobile station or a Shell station. When I was a kid, I'd go over there on my bicycle because the guy always had some kind of street rods in there he's working on. So that was a good place to hang out.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely check. I'm glad you told me that. I got a 78 Cadillac myself at home, and I'm just slowly trying to put it back together.
I've got a 58 Buick.
Do you?
Yeah,
okay.
That one's a big one. I take that to car shows. Did you ever go up to Frankenmuth during their
I have been.
Oktoberfest?
Oh no! I didn't go to. I didn't get a chance to go to Frankenmuth. Isn't that like an hour away or a little bit more?
It's like by Birch Run.
I heard about it.
I-75. We go up there every year and stay the weekend.
Really?
Yeah,
I might have to check that out.
a lot of nice cars there.
Ooh, I bet they do.
It's like a Woodward dream coupe. In fact, last year, was it last year or the year before? And there's always somebody that makes like a 3-hour video. He walks around, takes a picture of all the cars.
Oh, okay.
On the opening credits, like when you look it up on YouTube, Frankenmuth 2005, my car is the car on the opening credits.
Really? On the opening credit? Oh, that's cool. Because I got a YouTube channel myself, BBJ Luxury.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep. My name's John.
John, I'm Kim.
Yep, you can. Nice to meet you. Nice
Yeah,
to meet you,
if
Ken.
you get bored one day, look up Frankenmuth.
Frankenmuth, I will.
Video, you'll see a silver and white 58 Buick. That's what it was.
Yeah, I sure will. Frankenmuth. What year? Last year?
It's either last year or the year before.
I'm gonna look it up. I'm
think
gonna look it up when I go back in. 2005.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
maybe 4, but I think it was 5.
I'm gonna check it out. What color is it?
Silver and white.
Silver and white. Okay. All right. Well, it's nice meeting you once again.
Thanks, you too.
And you have a great day.
Good luck with putting your car together.
Thank you, man. I know it takes time with these old schools. You know what I'm saying?
What style is it?
It's a 78 Coupe de Ville.
Coupe de Ville?
It's the 2-door.
Yeah, very nice.
Yep, it's the 2-door.
You don't see the 2-doors that often.
You don't. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
See you later. Yes, guys, that was a 1973 a Volvo, really beautiful car. That was the owner of the car right there. Appreciate you guys tuning into my channel today. Catch me on the next video, guys. Peace.